the idea of social media, because social media in today's generation at least, and I'm sure everyone's now will now everyone will understand. I've been saying this from the beginning that people don't know how to handle power, and there's way too much power in people's hands when they're on social media. Sure.
Hi guys, this is Manjari Mukherjee and you're watching me on Diaries channel. And today I am excited, very excited, because I'm in a literal fangirl mood today, because it's none other than every female fascination, the Barun Sobti, with me for an interesting chat. And I have been waiting for this opportunity long.
Hi Manjari, how are you?
I'm good. How are you? How's lockdown treating you?
I'm good. Not bad. I can't complain actually. Not bad. Yeah.
Okay. But I guess you've been keeping very busy, even in this pandemic. What with the latest release that you've had, Halahal. And those who don't know about Halahal, I have to say that it's streaming now on Eros now. And you have to go and watch this crime thriller to know it, because it's completely a very good film. And it has so many power-packed performances. And on that note, Barun, what I'd really like to ask you is, while I, as your fan, I would have thought that when you made your Bollywood debut, I would have thought that, oh my God, it would be very glamorous. But it was very unconventional. You chose a path which is less trodden, and the characters that you've played since then have always been very layered. What I want to know is, what is the process of preparing for such kind of characters? Because it must be something complex, right?
Yeah. If there is actually, I've understood this in life also. People usually are very quick to comment and judge. And so whatever people judge and comment, if that can be challenged by why that is happening, you have people's respect. So that happens only if you do things for a reason. And likewise, I try to do this thing with my characters as well. Even if at the face of it, they might not be the most positive things, which ideally was the case pehle wale generations ke saath. They want to play out and out ki good boy, acha bacha kind of a thing. But I've seen that as characters, the only way they work is if there are the right reasons for doing whatever they're doing. So I try to think about the characters, why they're doing what they're doing, and if it's a one-layered character, I tend to get bored with it. So my selection process always has been only one simple thing, that I read the script and decide based on only that if I want to do the project or not. And this is only there are only two things on the script and what I can bring to the table. If I surprise myself with my thought, I'm usually assured that the people are going to be surprised as well.
Wow, super. Is this the reason why you also chose to play Arnav Singh Raizada in Is Pyar Ko Naam Kya Do? Because
no. I will be honest with you, I got lucky with that. That time I was not very मुझे scripting की इतनी actually sense नहीं थी, honestly. At the same time, television is a very different medium. Scripts change every now and then. So in that sense, I only got lucky that Arnav Singh Raizada was a very deep, layered, great guy character for his own reasons.
I think it was a fantastic character, and not just me. There are a lot of fans. Even today, fans kind of keep on messaging us and say that if you ever get the opportunity of interviewing him, just ask him what is his most fondest memory from the show and what he misses the most. So, what is the most fondest memory of yours?
I made terrific friends on the show. We made friends that, for life kind of thing. And not only the actors, actually, everyone who sees the internet and pictures and everything, they assume that only actors, but a lot of the crew members, technical team also. If I have to pick one moment that I remember, is I was actually put under a lot of I'm not the kind of guy who takes any pressure. I'm a very chilled out guy. So irrespective if the sky was breaking down, you will find me difficult to panic. So it's difficult to rattle me, but at the same time, I want to do my job really, really well. That is my basic nature. So when we were starting, there was a lot of expectation from this show and this character, enormous amount, and there was a lot of back and forth happening with respect to till the day we were going to shoot. Also, we have to do this, we have to do that, we have to just nail it and this and that. And I was in my head, I was like, guys, take it easy. Kya ho raha hai? Kya problem? Ho jayega. And in fact, I said that to everyone as well. Guys, calm down. You made your decision casting. I'll take it. And I remember my first sequence was that he gets down from the helicopter and walks towards the castle or Haveli, whatever you want to call it. And that walk and that scene was done in one go. Well, we had to do a lot of different takes. And I was like, yes, we nailed it. So that was a very comforting thought.
Wow. Right. Okay. By the way, I missed that show a lot. Like, really missed that show a lot.
It was a really good show, yeah.
Yes, it was. But now that we are talking about mainstream Bollywood as well, what I would like to ask you is, you must have your own favorite director now. Like, this is my dream director. I want to work with him. So, is there any sort of that kind of thing? No?
No, not at all. I've grown above all those things. It's very difficult. The industry is so hodgepodge right now that you can't put a finger on who is the greatest director actually.
Yes.
And there are so many phenomenal I have had very good experiences. I've worked with a lot of newcomers. Oh God, how many newcomers have I worked with? I've only worked with newcomers actually. Till date so far, and it's been a phenomenally refreshing and rewarding experience. So as I said, my decision are going to be based on nothing but the scripts.
Okay, cool. But did you have any Bollywood inspiration while you were entering Bollywood, or just like watch some actor or anybody in senior, and you were like, hey, this is my calling. This is exactly where I need to be. This is where I belong.
No, ऐसा नहीं हुआ. पर ऐसा हुआ था कि I used to watch stuff and I used to be like कि नहीं ये गलत हो रहा है. This can be done in a better fashion. So that's what I thought. But वो तो हर किसी के दिमाग में होता होगा मेरे ख्याल से. Because clearly I was so bad when I came in the first few years. So obviously I was wrong. But the inspiration was that. Okay.
But that's a very different take. I mean, everybody is always saying your name or something, but then you go and say that no, this was wrong.
Yeah. Deep down inside, I used to know कि नहीं यार ये ऐसे नहीं होता.
Oh my God. Okay. Looking at your journey from television to now Bollywood, what I would ask you is, there's this notion that tele actors are not treated in the same way how people who debut from Bollywood only or have their journey in Bollywood only are treated. Like Bollywood stars and tele stars are not treated equally. Is that the case in Bollywood? Is there some underlying notion like that ever?
Prejudice to hai, definitely. Definitely there is prejudice. People are skeptical to cast TV, someone who's been on TV for a long time, So it actually becomes very difficult to break that perception. But I'm okay with that. मुझे personally कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. But if you want to call a spade, yes, of course there is prejudice.
Okay. But I guess television actors have a longer, like the fan base is so, I don't know, it's a huge fan base. Like just looking at your character and the fans that you have built because of one character, it's huge. And now you do all these kind of unconventional movies and characters, which are so different from ASR. So obviously, I guess that kind of has been breaking a lot of stereotypes.
Yeah, it's been, particularly in my case, I think it's been different because people that I work with actually have been very intelligent, sorted people. They are not about image and prejudice and stuff like that. So they call, they call the reality out. Typically, in my case, I think everyone has been very vocal about the fact that the talent is gonna matter eventually. But actually, सबके साथ ऐसा नहीं होता. I know, and I want to side with those people that are actually saying कि हाँ TV actors के against होता है prejudice.
Okay. On that note, I'll also ask you कि nepotism is a very big debate. Insider, outsider are labels that are being used currently. Every day, somebody is insider, somebody is outsider. So, what do you have to say about those labels and the whole debate that is going on?
पागल है सब लोग यार. Actually, problem ये है. People don't think about the right things. Debate में actually सबको बहुत मजा आता है, but दिमाग किसी के पास है नहीं debate करने के लिए. Relevant बात कुछ करके राजी नहीं है कोई. So, with respect to nepotism, also I feel कि अपनी मतलब you know, if you have anyone in this world, there's not one person in the world who's gonna not gonna want great things about their child. And if anyone is saying that, that is utter bullshit. They just want their own opportunity because they've not gotten yet. And with respect to insider outsider, a lot of people have been asking me this, and I've been telling the same thing to everyone कि every individual has their own struggles. Yeah, वो insider हो चाहे outsider हो, insider की कुछ और होगी और outsider की कुछ और होगी. Simple as that.
True, very true.
Right. So, and if you're an insider, yes, getting a first opportunity does become easier because as we've seen it, it's an inclusive industry. You know, not everyone is welcome. So, with respect to an outsider cribbing about not getting a chance, then I'm sorry, yaar, pull your socks up. It's a difficult industry to make it in. If you're coming in thinking कि मुझे वो सारे privileges क्यों नहीं मिल रहे जो एक insider को मिलते हैं, किसी star संग के kid को मिलते हैं, I think you're stupid. You have to come in, slog your ass. You have to work hard and extremely hard sometimes. Make very difficult decisions. Still keep your sanity. If you're not ready to do that, don't come in and start pointing fingers on people that have the privilege. That's out and out stupid.
Okay, I think those are wise words for anyone who's also beginning their journey.
Right, yeah, absolutely.
Person is insider or outsider. Seriously.
Yeah, see, it's a difficult industry to make it in. I'm not going to sugarcoat this whole thing. At the same time, I'm not scaring anyone. If for someone like me can come in, I'm an absolute example of a boy coming in from middle class to Delhi. We had no idea about what the industry is. In fact, हमारे घर में बेवकूफ बोला जाता था लोगों को जो ये बोलते थे कि भाई मुझे acting करनी है. So I come from that place. So I'm a prime example of that. At the same time, you have to have nerves of steel and a very, very solid head, believing in yourself and call your reality. Know your reality is very important. You should know कि तुम क्या कर सकते हो, क्या नहीं कर सकते हो, और जब ये पता चलता है कि तुम एक चीज जो है नहीं कर सकते हो, then be ready to accept it that you don't deserve it maybe.
Okay. Yeah, very true. Thank you so much. That is a very good thing. Last question.
Okay.
So the last question would be a very important question. Something that I am very curious about. You are not that active on social media, even though you have such huge female fan following and attention. They are like every day something or the other is happening around your name on social media. Why are you not there on social media, Barun?
I've not had the right reasons. I didn't. When I came onto Twitter, also that was based on request of a producer to promote a film. Otherwise, I was not of the right. Actually, I don't support the idea of social media because social media in today's generation, at least, and I'm sure everyone's now will now everyone will understand. I've been saying this from the beginning that people don't know how to handle power, and there's way too much power in people's hand when they're on social media. There's a very dismal behavior, very disappointing behavior from the common man to the people that are popular. It's the exact same thing. किसी के पास अगर privilege है किसी चीज की यार उसकी गलती नहीं है. Everyone does something or the other in life to earn or maintain at least a privilege.
Yeah.
So that people blame other people for being popular, successful, and they themselves not being popular. So I don't think it's a great idea. It's not healthy. If the people were nice, I would love it to be on social media, but unfortunately they're not.
I really hope that one day, we are able to change your perception, because I am there. I am waiting, totally positive.
I'm not talking about people like you, honestly. I'm talking about people that are nasty, who don't know how to behave.
No,
there's a
I
bunch of
completely
them.
agree with that fact. I completely agree with that fact. Looking at the whole scenario right now, is definitely, we completely agree with that fact.
Yeah, and even if an incident happens in isolation, I want to talk about. If an incident happens that people don't agree with, and they just connect someone to someone and start badgering that person, so forget it. It's a difficult world, so I'm better away from it.
Okay, I really would have loved talking to you more, but obviously time is a
There's
crux.
way too many that we have to do. Actually, I've been doing this for the last 5 days.
Oh my god.
Back to back.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, then I'll leave you to that, and all the best, absolutely all the best, and congratulations on the Power Pack performance. I loved you in Halahal, and I'm hoping that the audience will love you. Thank you so much, Barun.
Thank you, Manju. Thank you. See you.
Bye. Bye.